In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to n8n, step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your n8n workspace and your Lovable project open in another tab. We're going to create a simple webhook in n8n, then tell Lovable to send data to that webhook so n8n can react to events coming from your app. Start by opening n8n and heading to your workflow area. You can use a new or existing workflow. The important part is that we add a node that can receive incoming requests. Click the plus button to add your first step. In the node selector that appears, use the search bar and type webhook. This node listens for incoming HTTP requests and passes that data into your workflow, which is exactly what we want from Lovable. Select the webhook node. In its settings, locate the HTTP method option and change it to post. Post is the standard method for sending data in the body of a request, so it's ideal for event payloads coming from Lovable. Next, find the response behavior and set it to immediately. This tells n8n to acknowledge the request right away, which helps prevent timeouts on the sender side while your workflow does the rest of its work in the background. With those two settings in place, you'll see a webhook URL generated by n8n. Copy that URL. Treat it like a unique endpoint tied to this node. Avoid sharing it publicly. And if you later change the node, remember to update wherever you've used the link. If you see both test and production URLs, use the one appropriate for your current workflow state and keep them consistent. Now switch over to your Lovable project. In the prompt area, tell Lovable that you want to integrate n8n using a webhook and paste the URL you just copied. Keep your instruction clear and direct, so Lovable understands it should call that endpoint when the relevant action happens in your app. This creates the bridge. Lovable triggers an event, and n8n receives it at the webhook node. That's the essential connection done. From here, you can build out the rest of your n8n workflow to parse the incoming data, branch logic, notify tools, or update systems as needed. If you run into issues, double check that the webhook method is post, the response is set to immediately, and the exact URL in Lovable matches the one shown in n8n. And that's it. Your Lovable project is now wired into n8n through a webhook. Great job getting this set up.